Welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make steak in tomato sauce and roasted peppers. These are the ingredients: 1 pound of strip steak, cherry tomatoes and tomatoes on the vine, olive oil, onion, a basil pesto, salt, and roasted peppers. Along with the steak dinner, I'm going to make a salad. And the ingredients are lettuce, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, cucumber, garlic, apples, lemon, celery. I used about a half teaspoon of butter to saute the steak. And I'm going to use another tiny little bit of olive oil. And I'm using a cast iron skillet. So I'm going to put some salt on both sides of the steak and pepper. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook this steak. Now the steak is not totally done, and that's okay because I'm going to put this in tomato sauce and it's going to cook also with the tomatoes. So I'm going to shut this off and start my tomato sauce. So I have 2 tomatoes on the vine and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Next thing, I'm going to do the onion. And you chop it the same way as I did the tomatoes. Small cubes. So the oil should be hot when putting the onions in. Now I'm waiting for the onions to soften. When making this sauce, it's very important to have all the ingredients ready. So you need to have the tomatoes chopped ready to go so that when they're becoming a little bit golden, as they are now, nice and soft, you're ready to add the tomatoes. So I'm just going to wait for the tomato to soften. The flame should be about medium to medium high. It depends on your stove. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some of my basil pesto. This is all to your own preference, how much pesto you like and the flavor of basil. I made this pesto in the summertime. I had a lot of basil this summer, so I made the pesto myself. Now I'm going to add the roasted peppers. Right on top of the peppers, I'm going to add the steak. I like it medium rare, so it needs to cook a little bit more because I only sauteed it for a short time. I'm going to start cutting parts of the salad. Cucumber into cubes. I'm only using half of it. I like the taste of apple in the salad. It gives a nice, fresh, sweet taste. And I'm cubing them just as I did the English cucumber. I'm just going to start adding it to the salad. Some celery. And it's up to you if you like to put in the leaves of the celery. I'm going to turn the steak on the other side. The temperature should be medium-low. I'm going to make the lemon vinaigrette. 2 ounces of olive oil. And I'm going to squeeze the lemon. Lemon vinaigrette gives a very nice taste. A little bit different than balsamic vinegar. Some salt. Some people put mustard as well. As you whip it, it becomes somewhat creamy almost. And I'm going to put some little pepper on it. Garlic. It's always a good rule of thumb to let the meat rest after cooking. So let's see. Oh, it looks absolutely beautiful. A lot of the juices from the meat, of course, have gone into the tomato sauce and the peppers. Now my magic sauce here will go on the side so people can take as much as they wish. This is my sauce from my magic pot. My crusade is absolutely fantastic to make these kind of dishes. Let's taste. I'm going to put some tomatoes and peppers on each bite. It's absolutely delicious. The tomatoes and peppers and onion gives fantastic taste. You can put some of the tomatoes right on top of the bread. Now I'm going to taste my salad. The vinaigrette is delicious. Especially with this kind of dish, of a meat dish with the tomatoes, it's rather heavy in taste. This is very light and refreshing, and it's absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I really would love to hear from you how you like this kind of meal for a dinner. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao!